Learning construction. Learn, share, expand. Hey guys, this is Ernie with learningconstruction.org, and on this video we're gonna see how to frame an exterior wall. The first thing we'll do is to look into our ready-made foundation. Once you have the layout complete, you can define the length of the plates that you'll be using, the sill plates, top plates. That'll be the first thing that you're gonna cut. After you have your sill plate, you're gonna have to drill through all the bolts that you placed in the foundation. Now remember, don't put the bolts just yet. We're gonna need this plate when we start framing the wall. The next step is to cut your top plates. You're gonna need 2 sets of top plates for an exterior wall, and don't forget that if you need to splice the top plates, you're also gonna have to overlap them on the top or the bottom. Okay, now we get to mark the studs. Your studs are typically going to be at 16 inches on center or 14.5 in between studs. Once you have this laid out, you can start placing your studs. The size of the studs will vary depending on the height of your wall. The stud sizes may be 92 and 5/8 for a 8-foot wall, 104 and 5/8 for a 9-foot wall, and 116 and 5/8 for a 10-foot wall. Okay, now you have the studs laid out with the top plate. When you start nailing them, use 2 nails on the top of the top plate to connect them to the studs. Try to separate them evenly and don't nail them on the middle. This way you'll avoid future warping on your studs. Okay, I would like to talk about the splicing a little bit. When you splice the walls, for example, if you have the bottom part of the top plate that needs to be spliced, make sure that the top part of the plate is at a minimum of 4 feet away from it. This dimension may change depending on the building codes that you're using and the state that you're in, but 4 feet is a general dimension that I use and I never had problems with in the past. Okay, the next thing is the nailing. In that splice you'll have to add 8 nails on each side of the splice, so it will be a total of 16 nails. Newer codes will require you to have more nails, and some structural drawings will also require to have straps in lieu of the nailing. For example, a Simpson ST24 or an ST36. Okay, once you have your top plate nail, it's time to take your wall and install the studs to the mud seal. So you can take the mud seal off the footing and install it to the wall, and then you can replace the mud seal with the wall into your foundation. With the walls done, you can use a brace attached to the floor just like it's shown on the video. And that's it, folks. Hope you guys liked the video. If you have any more questions, please visit learningconstruction.org or comment on the video. Thank you.